everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. So today we're going to open up all of the remaining May boxes I have left. I only have 3 here. Usually we open 5 in these mega unboxing type videos, but we have Splendies, Annie's Kit Club, and Amoda tea. So just an announcement, I said we only have 3. Normally we open 2 panty subscriptions every month, Splendies and Heaven Panty. Heaven Panty has announced that they are officially closing. They might be totally shut down now, but they were having a big sale on their website to get rid of their remaining inventory, so we won't be seeing that one, unfortunately, anymore on our channel. I also got an email today that Silver Swag Box is closing their doors. Just FYI, we haven't opened that in a little bit here, but we have in the past, so I wanted to let you guys know. So yeah, since we already talked about Splendies and panty subscriptions a bit, how about we start with that today? And by the way, I will link all of the subscription boxes we opened down below, along with any codes. All of these are sent to me free for review, but not sponsored, and only one of them is an affiliate link. So Splendies monthly panty subscription, you get 3 a month, and it's based off a quick profile. You let them know, of course, your sizing and what kind of panties you like. So that's the part you really can customize. You can get all thongs, you can get a surprise variety, which is what I got, or you can get all like regular brief panties. So they're always so cute. I love them. I've been getting Splendies forever, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Sometimes they are all about like a theme, like we had spring panties in April. Super cute. They're all so cute. So I can't wait to see. This is $16.99 a month, but you do get your first month discounted, usually around $5. Oh, I see Emmy's waking up. She may join us. So let's see what we got for May. Hi, Emmy. Were you napping? There we go. It's always wrapped up in some cute tissue. And here's a little sneak peek. Oh, they look like they're going to be so cute. So I think Splendies is great, like everyday panties wear, like, but sometimes you'll get like a little sexy panty and stuff, but overall I think they're just, yeah, great for everyday use. The Heaven Panty was a little bit more sexy, but it's all personal preference. So it looks like, oh my God, I'm so excited. We have 2 briefs and 1 thong, which is typically how it is. But let's start with the thong because that's what I have on top here. And oh my gosh, I am already obsessed. We have a seamless nylon panty that's with black with these beautiful bright rainbow butterflies. This is perfect for Pride, which is starting shortly here too, because there's like hearts in there. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just got a Pride themed tarot deck that I might be opening here and doing a flip through. I might be doing that more on this channel, just FYI. It's on my mind now that I just see it up there. I just got it yesterday and seeing this. I love these. I love butterflies. I like seamless thongs like this, and their panties always have a cotton gusset, just FYI. These are so comfy, and these are like the no-show type, so you can really wear them under anything. Love it. And then we have, like I said, 2 fullbacks, and this is a nylon pair, and look at these fun colors this month. And we have like different types of leaves, like palm leaves on here. I love the oranges on this, the purples, super cute. We have a lace trim here. Super cute, super fun. I love it. And then our last pair, we have like a black and light pink with polka dots. This is super cute. This is more of like a cheeky pair, kind of. You know, it's still got some coverage depending on your booty. I can't tell, is this rayon or cotton or nylon? Let's take a look. This is polyester. Okay, I knew it felt different. Like, what is this fabric? This is super cute though. I like the cut of this one and the colors. It reminds me, it's like old, I don't know why it reminds me of like the 50s or something about it. The pink and the black, like the very pale pink. But yeah, I think this would be considered a cheeky pair. Super cute. I always love the panties we got. So we had the 2 fullbacks and the thong. I think I like the thong the best just because I love butterflies so much, but I honestly like each and every one of them, and I will get wear out of them, of course. So that is my Splendies. Are we panty twins? Let me know, because there is some variation sometimes, but oftentimes we also are panty twins. So if you guys get Splendies, let me know. Are we matching this month? But let's now move on to Amoda tea. Oops, I just like flashed my address. So they have something over both sides right here, but this is such a good tea subscription. I always say this when I open it. I'm like, I could use tea. I might make some right after this. But they are different than other tea subscriptions because they get all of their teas from small companies. So they support small-owned businesses. And the teas are so good. They have such a wide selection. It's totally personalized. It's $22 a month, which is great. And they gave us a 40% off code. So you save a lot your first box if you want to try it out. I'll leave that down below. It's not affiliated, it's just to help you guys out. So thanks, Amoda, for sharing that with us. And you get to customize it. They add new teas every month. You pick 4. You can get all surprised. They're so good. You can get free tea bags with it. I love the teas I've had, like every single month. So good. I might have chosen All Surprise this time. I can't really remember. Maybe not. I'm trying to think. I'm like taking a little sneak peek. So it comes in like this. There's a little card here. But look at it. It has my name up here. It says Kitty, drink well, be well. And you get these little resealable bags. And there's stickers on each of them that tells us about our teas. So here's our little card, which this is beautiful. You can use it as an art print. How lovely does that look? It looks like they're outside with the flowers and their tea. It says, hi Amoda fam, May is a month we look forward to as we love to see more signs of the spring season like flowers blooming, sun rays beaming down, outdoor patios opening, and fresh teas filling our cups. We had these moments in mind when curating new teas for the subscription box, so we placed an order with our tea partners for blends that are floral, fruity, and enchanting. We have a feeling you'll love our tea selection. Oh, it looks, I can just see a couple of the keywords. Again, I can't remember if this was the month I put all surprises or if I picked myself. I might have just told them surprise me. But let's see, let's start with the one that's the furthest over here. And this one's called Berry Custard Marinique. Is that Marinique? Is that how you say it? It's not a Q though. Marinique? Meringue? Wait, I know this word. I know I've like heard this in a pie. Like lemon meringue. Is that what it is? Meringue? Berry custard meringue? Okay, I think that's it. Oh my gosh. So let's see. But yeah, I definitely put surprise for all of them. So I'm excited. So I probably got, when you put surprise, you usually get their newer teas. This is by Dessert by Deb. It's caffeine free. This blend is filled with juicy fruit pieces for a full-bodied, garden-fresh berry flavor. The sprinkle of toasted coconut adds a light creaminess of this dessert tea. I love dessert teas because I'm someone personally, I'm trying not to have sugar. I splurge, you know, I'm not like that strict all the time, but when I'm at home, you know, I try not to have sweets or anything like that. So dessert teas are perfect for that because you still get that, you know, that like need for something sugary, like that, like, what am I trying to say right now? I can't speak very well. I was going to say like your needs, like your thirst quench, but that's not really what it is, but it is a drink. So I don't know. Never mind. I'm not speaking very eloquently today. The ingredients, looks like they're organic, which I love. Rooibos, elderberries, cranberries, freeze-dried blueberries and raspberries, strawberry pieces, toasted coconut, and rose petals. Ooh, I love rose in my drinks. This sounds so good. So again, resealable. You can take a little look there. Awesome. And sometimes I forget to show you the tea bags. You can select these, are optional to get 10 of these. But next up, it's called Twilight, and this one is high caffeine. This is by Serendipity. Black tea intertwines with a floral duo, golden chamomile and fragrant lavender. Ooh. So wait, it's like, that's very interesting. It's like nighttime herbs, like with black tea. So I've never had that. Usually you get those caffeine free or with green tea. It's a dreamy blend. Yeah, chamomile and lavender. That's full-bodied, smooth, and gentle for a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon wind-down. Interesting. So it's made with organic Chinese black tea, chamomile, and lavender. This interests me. Twilight, the name of it makes sense. Ooh. Sounds good though. And next up, we have White Gingered Apricot, Low Caffeine by Serendipity. I like saying that. A honey-like white tea is blended with stone fruit and ginger for a powerful zing. This award-winning tea is mouth-watering and zesty with its sweet and savoring flavor profile. Again, organic ingredients. White tea, apple, ginger, hibiscus, orange peel, rose hips, natural apple flavor, natural apricot flavor, and natural orange flavor. Ooh, that sounds good. So far, this might be what I have if I make tea after this, just since it is the afternoon. It's almost 3 p.m. I usually don't have caffeine after like 2, but low caffeine, I think I can do that. Oh, this one might be another contender because this is low caffeine. Ooh, Peach Cherry Blossom Candy by Dessert and Deb. Oh, that sounds good. Let's see the tasting notes. Experience notes of spring while sipping this alluring tea blend. Candy-like and rose aroma. Ooh, golden infusion with succulent peach undertones and a lingering floral finish. Okay, this is the one I want first. If I have to choose all of them, I know right away that I'm like, what? Rose and succulent and lingering floral finish. It just sounds lovely. Let's read the ingredients. They're organic as well. I love that we have companies that use organic ingredients. Green tea, natural peach flavor, peaches, natural rose flavor, rose petals, freeze-dried raspberries, jasmine blossoms, and calendula or petals. And you can tell it just looks so pretty, the blend there. Oh man, I really love rose in my teas lately. I don't know, it's like feminine and yummy. I just am such a fan. So yeah, this sounds the best to me. They all sound amazing, but I think I'm gonna make this right after this video. Peach Cherry Blossom Candy, hell yeah, yum. It sounds so good, I'm so excited, but they all sound so good. I highly recommend this if you guys love tea or know anyone else that does. I've been happy with every single month and every single tea I've tried. I've gone through almost all of them. I have a few of the caffeine-free ones left, just because I have that. I reach for that less often. But you know, I usually go for caffeine with my teas. It's usually what I have early afternoons. But I go through them pretty much. Besides like 1 or 2, I still have left. So I'm excited to have more. Definitely need it at this time. But awesome, love it. So let me know what teas you get if you get Amoda tea, because there's such a wide selection. Check it out. Let's now talk about our last box we have here. Annie's Creative Woman of the Month Club. So Annie's Kit Clubs is a company that has a bunch of craft subscriptions. So they're all around, well, most at least, are around $19.99 a month. I do have a code that'll save you 50% off any of the subscriptions. So totally worth it, because not only do you like make an item with this, you get the experience. So it's super fun. You can do the craft by yourself, with your kids, with your partner, with your friends, on a Zoom call, drinking wine, whatever it is. At the Creative Woman of the Month Club, you get a different craft each month, but they also have specific crafts. So you can get one that's like about crocheting or making quilts or jewelry making, card making, one for kids. There's so many now, like maybe 20 of them or something, to take a look at. I mean, so yeah, definitely check it out. But I like this one because you get a different craft each month. And you don't need to be an expert. They give you pictures, like step by step, and you pretty much get everything you need besides basic stuff at home, like scissors and, you know, things like that, or paper towel or something. Ooh, here we go. Let's see. Oh, it looks like this might be... Where's the card that says what it is? Oh, here it is. Oh, we're getting prepared for summer. Star Spangled Americana. So you have time to do this before the summer festivities, 4th of July and all of that. Star Spangled Americana. So it looks like we're making these, and I'll show you all the stuff we have. Got a lot of goodies in here. So when you open this up, it'll tell you everything you get, what you'll need from home, and again, pictures and step-by-step instructions, helpful hints. So in your kit, you get wood blocks. You can see those here. Sandpaper, jute twine. Okay, that's the twine, I know that, but I've never heard of jute twine. Maybe you have some paints, paintbrush, and then wood star cutouts we have over here, and rub-ons. You can see the words there. So from home, you'll need a damp rag, waxed paper, paper towels, cup of water, white glue, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, ruler, and pencil. I think I have all of that but waxed paper, but I could just use something else for the waxed paper, you know, find something for that. So then we have the helpful hints and then getting started. This is cute. Oh my god, I really like the stars, how you paint them here. So you have that, it says Sweet Land of Liberty, Stars and Stripes, Friends, Family, Freedom. I like how they're giving this to us in May, because it gives us time to make them. So you don't have to it's not like you're getting them in June or even like July, you know, and having to make it right away. Because yeah, what if you get it at the end of June or something like that and you want some time? Even though I tend to get them in the beginning of the month, like I probably had this at least a week or two. But yeah, super cute. I want to like be more decorative and stuff with holidays. This box usually does have really good themes with the holiday times. Like you'll have Christmas stuff, Thanksgiving, of course 4th of July stuff, so that's nice. So you get stuff that'll like help you with your home decor. So this is super fun. Again, you can do this alone, with other people, make it a family activity. So you get the experience and the things, and you can reuse them every season if you want to, or keep them out all the time. I really like it. Awesome. So that was everything, you guys. I liked all of these boxes. Emmy's laying on my new panties right now. That's okay. You're so cute, baby. Should we show you? Want to say hi? Well, Emmy says, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Let me know which subscription you like the best. Are there any subscriptions you would like to see on the channel? I have been eyeing resubscribing to Birchbox. It was the very first subscription box I ever got. It got me totally into this subscription world. And I just looked it up recently, and it looks like they revamped it. It's bigger or something. I don't know. No, I just got like an email because they saw I like started to look at it and stuff. They're like 50% off, so I was thinking maybe getting that. But if you have other subscription box recommendations, please let me know. I did subscribe to a couple beauty boxes recently, but it could be others as well. Yeah, I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Don't forget to do something special for yourself today. Mwah. Bye.